show you. Actually, suppose this is my machine 1. Okay, machine 2, machine 3, and machine 4. Suppose I create only single machine on AWS. Okay, so this single machine, free tier machine, you can use say 150 hours. Okay, 150 hours. Otherwise, you are using two machines. Okay, so this 750 hours will divide in two machine, for two machines. Okay, so for 2 days, 2 days, so 24, 24, 48. So your machine consume 48 hours out of 750. Okay, maybe for 2 days you are running two machines. Okay, machine 1 and machine 2 you are running for 2 days. It means 48 plus 48, 48, 48, 96. Am I right? So 96 hours you have consumed out of 750. Okay, if you are using three machine for 2 days. Okay, so for the all machine hours calculation, minus with 750 hours. Okay, so it depends on you how many hours you can consume. So due to after the practice, delete the machine so that your machine will not consume AWS resource. Okay, so you can release AWS resource via termination. Okay, but there are challenges. How you can see how much hours is remaining. Okay, how much hours is remaining, and how to use. And the thing is, if you are using, suppose this is a, it's a 23 past 4, it's a 4:23. Okay, suppose my machine, I create my machine at 4 p.m. I shut down this machine at 4:20 p.m. I shut down. So it doesn't mean AWS will calculate only 20 minutes. No, AWS will calculate partial hours. Okay, if you create your machines, okay, and you terminate within 2-3 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 40 minutes, doesn't matter, AWS will count 1 hour. Okay, so it doesn't mean you are using 20 minutes and AWS will count only 20 minutes. No, AWS will count 1 hour. Okay, so I create machine at 4 p.m. terminate on 20, and I can create a new machine at 4:23 p.m. and I will terminate at 4:40. Okay, so it doesn't mean you create machine in a single hour. No, AWS will count it is 1 hour and it is 2 hour. Okay, so always count in partial hours. So make sure whenever you are creating any machines, so if you need to work 1 hour, so you can create. If you need uh, 20 minutes, so you can also create, but make sure address will always count partial hours. Okay, by the way, you want to see where from we can see how much remaining hours available. Okay, so just click on the your profile name. Okay, and click on billing center, billing dashboard. Billing dashboard. Just wait and go downside. So can you see top free tier services by users? You can see. Actually, it's showing you Elastic Computing 750 hours per month. Okay, for Amazon EC2, Linux, T2 Micro, and T3. Okay, so this is our type. Free tier services. T2 Macro foundation. There is a limitation. Free tier. Okay, it's a free tier only. So I consume. And you want to go for the pricing level. So you have to. Okay. You have to pay AWS services. I consumed 3 hours. Which will charge you out of 750. So about the AWS pricing. Okay. So you can calculate from here. What's the remaining hours? Pricing and storage. Okay, and this storage and your key, we will see it later. This is your private key. You know which keys we have downloaded to access AWS machine. Storage. Okay, it is that was talking about this key. These things, okay, these topics we will cover in the next session. Okay, maybe in the companies you maybe in the companies tell to you, I want to run application server, and it works on only 2 GB RAM, and we need 50 GB storage. Okay, what kind of instance you will suggest you to your company? Okay, so how you will select your server? Okay, how you will select your storage devices? Okay, so this all things depends on your pricing level. Okay, how we can calculate our pricing? Okay, so this all things we will see in the next session. Sign out my account. Okay, I'm going to awsamazon.com. Where the create a new account. Yeah, you can see AWS accounts include 12 months of free trial access. Okay, so if you want to read about the full-fledged information, so you can copy and go to this page. You can read out about the free trial services. Okay, so these all services you can read out.
Okay.
So I just copy, and you can read out this free trial services.